want the people them in the Caribbean to know that right now we have no government. We are not democracy. You catch what I'm saying? Everything belongs to the Queen.
Yeah.
They only give you the Prime Minister and a flag and an anthem and pledge to make we feel like we're free. As I've been telling my brother here, the reason why they name them nation here Commonwealth nation, as my brother is saying, is an insult to we, because we common. When we hear that word, you know, we go feeling is like, you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, Commonwealth nation, but when you really check it out, it's the color we common. And them nation here now, they're making it look like now, it's the people them have a free choice to join in the Commonwealth, but we have no free choice. Them only making we feel like we have a free choice because the people who you come more enslave is the people them who think they're free. And that's the manipulation they're using against we the people to make we feel like we're free and we have a choice to vote. Election is a fraud. Prime ministers and presidents in the West don't be elected, they just be selected. It's who the Queen want to be in power, the Queen put in power. So when people feel them voting the other party like Labour Party and NDP and Barbados Labour Party, the two of them is of the same team. But them only they know to make you feel like you free. So they come in with campaign and making they feel like they're competing against each other. They ain't competing against each other. All is just part of the plan to make you, to keep you divided. So when they keep you divided and they keep you dumb and they keep you fighting against each other, they can rule from behind the screen, just like racism.
To the IMF and all.
To the IMF, the World Bank, because the IMF and the World Bank controlled by the Queen and the 300 family. You was even the movie they show with the Lord of the Rings, and the ring, that's a true ring. That's the ring of power where the 300 richest family in the world come together to manipulate and control the world for their own interests. The Rothschilds, the Oppenheim, the Rockefellers, the Overs, and all those other family, and they build the Borg Group, the Trilateral Commission, and
so that will take hold of the oil, the oil industry
and the resources, yeah. and them get the economic
seed
industry. They get everything, and our oppressors give you spirituality. The Overs and anything the oppressors give you, they go give it for good. They give you the religion. They give us our economy, they give us our money. So if our oppressors control the resources and plus the money, we feel it be a crime. And because the reason why there's so much crime, because it's criminals who control the world. Us, and we going wrong here, blaming ourselves for everything and all of them kind of thing. But we the people now need to open up and wake up and see what's going on and stop make them distract we with a whole heap of vanity and vain clothes and movie stars and a whole heap of Beyonce and big pop stars who sell out just to keep we distracted from the goal where them want to have, which is the World Organization. They're using Red Cross, all of them people is with the same thing. That's what they're using to cover up now, to take over people's land. Yeah. And to take away people's sovereignty and take away your freedom.
Yes.
And right now, people need to get up right now and stop it before it get. So anyway, through the powers of the King and the cosmic force, everything will be alright, because the cosmic force will not allow it to happen, because they tried for so many years and they always failing. And we will prevail. So all I could tell the people them, you know what I mean, I know they will wake up. Just hold firm, because we don't deal with faith now, believe. We deal with logics and reason. And through our logics and reason, from we know we wake up and we hold firm, we will know everything will be alright, because good always conquer evil and light will always overtake darkness.